Welcome to the session. Check your errors. Let's do some preposition practice. Now, preposition comes in all competitive exams. So, here you see I have given 15 sentences in this session and you see how many you get correct. So, there are 15 sentences and you see what is your score and you write in the comment box that how much you have could score out of 50. Number 1 sentence. The bone was dash the dog. Now which preposition would you put in this blank? The bone was about the dog. The bone was for the dog. The bone was after the dog. Bone was considering the dog. Which one you will put? The bone was, correct answer is for the dog. Means the bone is for the dog. Because of the dog, the bone was kept. The bone was kept for the dog. So it indicates. For is used to indicate. Next sentence. We are going on vacation dash August. On August, at August, in August, since August. So we are going on vacation. You will put in August. So what will be the correct answer? The correct answer will be in August. It will be in August. Now learners, you must remember in is used with months, season, year. Okay, so in is used with months, season, year. We are going on vacation. Suppose it is the season summer, then also it would have been in summer. We went on vacation in 2021. So this is how you use the in preposition with months, season, year. Next one. Please put the vase dash the table. Now vase is what? It's a container where flowers are kept. So put the vase dash the table. So when you have to mention the table, which preposition we will use? In, on, for, over. Now please see your score and mention after you do the 15 sentences. Please put the vase, the correct answer will be on the table. Now on is refers to some surface. Alright, on the table. Next sentence. I received a present dash Janet. So I received a present dash Janet. So which preposition you will use? From, of, by, about. I received a present from Janet. That is when you get something you get which shows that you are given or you are sending, then you use the preposition from. Next. School begins dash Monday. What will you put? In, on, from, since. So the correct answer will be on Monday. Now learners, on is used with, the preposition on is used with days and dates. Days and dates. Days of the week, alright? Days and dates. So on is used with days and dates. So here I use. So on is used with days and dates. So on days of the week, on Monday, on Tuesday, on Thursday, on Friday. Dates on 4th March, on 5th March, on 5th April. So you will write on with this. So if your prepositions are correct, you will get always good marks in your examination. Next, Nafisa is afraid dash spiders. 1 minute. We did the 5th one. Okay. Nafisa is afraid dash spiders. Now, learners, just you see which one you will use. That is, Nafisa is afraid dash of spiders, from of spiders, in of spiders, about of spiders, of spiders. So, it will be of. After afraid, always you use the preposition of. Next sentence. I am worried dash the exam. That is, I am worried in the exam, about the exam, on the exam, of the exam. So I am worried about the exam. That is connected. Why? With what you are worried? Of what you are worried? You are worried about the exam. Next. He looks upset. I think he took the dash heart. Took the criticism dash heart. Sorry, children. It should be here. He took the criticism dash heart. Alright, you cut this part. So he looks upset. I think he took the criticism dash heart. That is, should it be to, about, in, of? Which one should it be correct? You just see, you apply your answer and see whether it's correct. Now here it should be, he looks upset. I think he took the criticism to heart. So when you are putting to, then when you are showing some contact, so why is he, or when there is some proximity, why is he upset? Because he took the criticism to heart. That is, he was very moved with the criticism. Next. I am envious dash them. I am envious. What is the meaning of envious? It means jealous. I am envious of them, about them, in them, on them. Now the correct answer will be of them. I am envious. After envious, it will be always of. Next. He confided dash me. He confided dash me. That is, confide means to what? To keep some secret with someone, to tell someone secret so that it doesn't, the other person doesn't let it out. So you confide, you keep a secret. So you confide in me something. You in someone. He confided. So what will be the answer? The answer will be in me. He confided in me. After confided, always you will put in. Number 11. They decided the grey sofa. They decided the grey sofa. So the whole family goes to buy a sofa. So they decide on something. When some payment is made, then you put on. They decided on the grey sofa. Next. Question number 12. She suffers dash a heart disease. So she suffers. Now what you have to use to show the reason why is she suffering? So can you put about? So can you put in? Can you put from? Or can you can you put on? Just see which preposition you can apply. She suffers from a heart disease. What is the cause of her suffering? It is from a heart disease. Next. Question number 13. The teacher set some homework dash the end of the lesson. So it is always used a particular preposition here. About, in, of, at. Which one will you use? The correct is at. When you use in the last part of something, then you say at the end of the session. Next question. I am good dash tennis. I am good dash tennis. About, in, at, of. Which one is correct according to you? Just mark it. It will be at. I am good at tennis means you show some kind of ability, some kind of activity. So you are good at tennis. Next, the last one, students. We arrived dash the station an hour late. So you see which preposition you can use. About, in, at, of. So the correct one is at. We arrived at the station an hour late. So this at preposition is used to indicate a place. So here I end. Just write the score, how many correct you could do. If you have done 15 out of 15, it's excellent. 14 out of 15, it's good. And 13 out of 15, it is fair. And the rest score you have to work hard on it. So see you students in the next session, and please subscribe, like and share.